The Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, inaugurated on 5th January 2025 the much awaited Rapid Rail Transit System section between New Ashoknagar in Delhi and Sahibabad in Uttar Pradesh, and stretching over a length of about 13 km. This specific section forms an integral part of the larger Namo Bharat corridor specifically constructed to link Delhi with Meerut. It promises a complete revolution in travelling from Delhi to Meerut, claims government officials. The new segment enables passengers to cover the distance from New Ashoknagar to Meerut South in less than 40 minutes. Travel time is reduced nearly 2/3. The Namo Bharat train operated only between Sahibabad and Meerut, but this expansion now connects the national capital to UP seamlessly. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi congratulated residents on social media, highlighting the project's role in integrating NCR's transport network. She noted Delhi is emerging as a global model for public transport thanks to joint efforts by the central and state governments. She also emphasized other significant developments, including the inauguration of new metro link between Krishna Park and Janakpuri West and the foundation laying for the Rithala Kundli metro extension. Election optics, a gift for voters. The timing of the inauguration has raised eyebrows, with February's Delhi Assembly election looming. Critics, including Congress candidate Sandeep Dixit, have alleged that these projects are politically motivated. Dixit remarked, "People understand this is happening because elections are near. Why aren't these projects initiated earlier in the past decade?" Both PM Modi and CM Kejriwal are using development for electoral gains. This segment was echoed by opposition leaders who questioned the sudden surge in developmental activities ahead of the Model Code of Conduct. BJP and AAP's responses. BJP's Delhi President Virendra Sachdeva countered these claims during a rally at Japanese Park. He praised PM Modi's leadership, highlighting that 12,200 crore rupees worth of developmental projects were inaugurated or launched alongside the RRTS. If anyone can develop Delhi, it is Narendra Modi, Sachdeva asserted, focusing on the tangible benefits these projects will deliver. Meanwhile, CM Atishi remarks celebrated the collaborative nature of the RRTS and metro projects, but stood clear of engaging directly with the election-centric allegations. Broader implications. While the RRTS launch is undeniably a landmark step for infrastructure in NCR, it raises pertinent question: election timing or genuine development? Would this project have been the light of day without the impending assembly elections? Impact on Delhi commute. Will these new corridors significantly elevate Delhi's traffic woes and air pollution? Future prospects. With other metro and rail extensions underway, can Delhi maintain its momentum as a public transport model? The RRTS launch underscores India's commitment to modernizing its urban transport system. However, the political undertones surrounding its timing remain contentious. As Delhi heads to polls, voters must decide whether such initiatives reflect genuine governance or a strategic electoral maneuvering. Will Delhi's commuters see this as a transformational milestone or merely as a political spectacle?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.